Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this One World Trade Center building in-place mass in Revit. Let's get started. So let's start off by opening a new architecture template. Go to South Elevation. Let's add in some levels. So click Level 2 and then click Array. Let's add 29 for a total of 30. We're going to maintain 4,000 millimeters or 4 meters. Press escape, and then if we see, we have level 30. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to view, and we're gonna make it appear here on our floor plan. So go to plan views, floor plan. Level 3 is already highlighted. Hold shift, click on level 30 and press OK, and it will appear here. Let's go back to level or elevation south. We're just gonna add one more level. This is for the antenna. So around 2000 is good enough. So that's our level 31 and the height of the antenna. So roughly around 8000 is good enough. So that's our level 32. So this will be the roof, and then the antenna will be the base of the antenna will be level 31, and then the top of the antenna is level 32. And then now let's go to level 1. We're gonna add in some reference plane. So go to your architecture, reference plane, create a cross first. For this example, we're gonna create a 20 by 20. So 20 meters. So that will be 10,000 millimeters. So now we're good. It's 20 by 20 now. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create the in-place mass now. So go to massing inside, in-place mass, mass 1, press OK. Click on the rectangle and go corner to corner. So that's good. Click this, copy to clipboard, paste it to level 5, and then lastly paste it again to level 30. So now let's go to 3D first. We're gonna make this, or we're gonna form this solid form first. So the first level up to level 5 is done. Now we're gonna go to level 30. We're just gonna copy this again and then paste it to level 5. So we're still at level 30. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click everything and then rotate it. We're gonna rotate it 45 degree and then click on scale. We're gonna scale it from the middle, so click the middle and from the edge. So just like that, you were able to scale it. Let's go back to our 3D view. Now we're gonna select this and the copy of square that we added to level 5 again. So once that's done and selected, create form, and we have this form now. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click tab and select a side, and then we're gonna add edge from this edge to this edge to this edge, then press escape, select the edge again, add edge, and lastly this edge or this face. So click your tab. Oops, I made a mistake. Let's do it again. Select this side, add edge, and then from there to there. So now it looks like the World Trade Center. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna select everything. We're just gonna deal with the roof later, and then we're gonna divide. So here we have everything divided. We're gonna add a pattern. So select everything. And then we're gonna add rectangle. It will look like this. So now we're gonna change the U and the V grid. So we're just gonna keep it at 20 by 20. 20U and 20V. That looks good enough. And for the base, 15 by 15. Yeah. So now we're gonna create the rectangular part of this. So the pattern, go to File, New, and Family. Metric curtain panel pattern base. Open. Let's just double check it's rectangle, so that's correct. click on this point element. You can select it on any side, but I'll just select it here. Press escape and then select it again. And then I'm gonna create the frame. So something like this. Select the lines and select this one as well, and then create solid form. So we have our frame. Now let's create the materials first. So change this to materials, and this will be frame, and then lastly change this again to material, and this will be the glass. Okay, let's select a material for this. Apply, and then select this. Select all the frames again, and then we're just gonna associate that one with the one that we just created. And then lastly, let's create the glass. So with that, let's go to hidden line or wireframe. Select this and then create a form. Select this form, and then let's change the positive offset like that. And then let's associate that with the glass material. So maybe we could change this to 15. So that's good enough. And then let's load it to the project. Actually, I'm going to select everything and then change this to the family that we just created. So now it looks like this. We have our frame and we have our glass. Now let's create the antenna. So we're gonna finish with this. So let's go to level 31. And then here, we're gonna go to massing inside again. Click in place mass. This will be the mass 2. And then we're gonna create circle. So around 5,000. And then go to 3D. Select this. We're gonna copy and paste it on level 30. After that, select both and create form. So select the first half and divide it. I'm gonna choose triangle bend and change this to 1, and then this 12. I'll make this 3 and 12. I'm gonna do the same thing on the second half. So choose triangle bend. So divide. Three and 12. And now we're gonna do a profile for this. So go to new, family, same template, curtain panel, pattern base. Press open. Change this to rectangle, triangle flat or bend, sorry. And then with this, just gonna add point element, press escape and select that again. We're gonna use circle. Escape, select the line in your circle and create a form. And then we're just gonna associate a material with this. This will be the frame as well. Press OK. And let's add a material as well. And load it to the project. Click 3D. I'm gonna select both and change it to the family that we created. So that's done. Click finish. It will look like that. Lastly, we're gonna create the floor and a simple antenna. So with that, go to massing, or this is selected. So select the mass floor, select level 1 all the way to level 30. So hold shift and then click on this. Press OK. So we create the mass floor. Now go back to massing inside. We're gonna create this as well. This is from 30. We're just gonna make the 31. And then go back to massing and site. Click on the roof. Create roof. And then we're gonna select everything again. And then we're gonna hit floor by face. Then after that, create floor. So lastly, I'm just gonna create a simple antenna. So with that, let's go to level 31. And then let's go to architecture, model in place. Just gonna choose generic model 1. And then let's do a blend. So with that, let's go and create this first. And then the base. Let's go to south elevation. And with that, you can make it higher. And we could just move this. By using a line. And there you have it. One World Trade Center. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.